M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Anytone D168 or the Airtone D168. Someone asked me if you have a Anytone 878 code plug, which we have here on the right hand side, just here, and we go File, Save, and save that file. Yeah, can we put it onto our D168? And the answer is yes. So I have saved one, and then if I just go File, then Open, and this is opening the file from the 878. So watch this. We go, here's File. Let's do that again. Save as, and I'll put it on the desktop. I'll put it on the downloads actually, and we'll call it New 999. Save, and that's come from the 878. It clearly says here 878. And then we'll go File, Open. Like so, give it a minute. Select that same file, there it is there, double click, and it will then load in. Well, I've already done it, that's why you're already seeing it. And then it will load it into your, there's a little hourglass type thing happening there, and it's loaded it. And that's it, and then you can just go program and you can write that to your D168. I'm not saying it will be perfect, but it's gone in, seems fine to me. Give it a go, and I'm sure it'll work both ways. The D168 is an absolute bargain. You can see it there chugging away in the background. It's got talker alias. It's got, if I go menu, everything you'd expect, but look, it's got record voice record, satellite, and APRS and Digimonitor. It's a full color dual band VHF, UHF radio, and it works really well on DMI. It sounds great, and you don't even need a special programming cable. It works completely fine. USB-C there. You want the data cable, you don't want the cheap cable, and you plug it into your PC, and when you go right click device manager like so, a com will appear as long as you've got it plugged into the radio. Let me just quickly plug it in now. Like so, and this is just my phone charging cable, and you can see that the COM port there flashed away, and we've got a COM showing as well, and you can even load up a boot image if I got one on here already. Have a look. Booting. Not at the moment. Should we just quickly see if we can get one on there? We'll just try it very quickly. We'll go Tool. Oh yeah, and to import your CSV contacts, you literally go Import, then click Digital Contacts, select your contacts, CSV file that you'll get from radioid.net. Just here on the left, look, user CSV, and it will download one for you. Let's just put it up there, look, and then you can import and send that to the radio. Otherwise, we're going to go boot image, open image. Now it does need to be a certain size, and I've forgotten what the size is. I'll put it in the description, but let's just find one that I was using. There's R2D2. Now it will only go in if it's the right size, of course. Google says 160 by 128 pixels, bit BMP. Let's do it. Let's do R2D2. So I've got the image here. So I start off by saving it as a JPEG. So once you've got the image, right click on it, and you can go you can save it somewhere, and then go to the location you saved it, and I've saved it on my download. And we're going to choose edit in Paint, or you can right click it and say open with Paint. So there it is there. So make sure you can see and I'm not in the way. All right, let's move this across. We've got Paint, and I find this is the easiest way. So go File, down to Image Properties, and it wasn't it 160 by 128? So 160 by, and then here 128. Click OK, and it has shrunk it down a bit, but anyway, then we'll go File, Save as BMP, and let's put that here, I think, with my other devices. Let's call it C3PO. C3PO 128 times 160. Save. Back to the software for the 168. Alright, it's got loads of stuff going here. Oh, it's actually, look, it let the R2, the C3P one go in there, but I'm going to open the R2D2 one. But anyway, let's just swap it to the one I just made. You click open, then you click OK, then you click write, and then click, I'm faffing now, aren't I? Click OK. Oh, I want communication port, so make sure that you've connected the right port. So we're going to go connect with Let's. We might have to close it first. Set com. It's annoying that you have to do this every time. 49 should automatically find it. Tools and boot image. It's already still there. Right. Then click OK. Something's happening. That was quick. Keep an eye on the radio. And it's only on for a split second, but we probably have to tell it to show it. Oh no, it's there. Ta-da! It's a bit bright, but it definitely worked. Show my junk room now. On the new 950, the boot image is beautiful. Anyway, that's the Radtail 950. There you go. Ta-da! And the hotspot I've been using is the new one by DV Mega. and Carl's on Facebook, and this thing has got a signal meter when people talk. At the top there. Need someone to speak now. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Great fun tinkering. 7